Breakthroughs in artificial intelligence have sparked a mix of excitement, curiosity, and uncertainty. But one thing is clear. The world of creative work and creative industries are already looking very different than they have before. And that's pushing creators, professionals, and business leaders to rethink what the future of creativity looks like with AI in the mix. To make smart decisions about how to use generative AI, you don't need to be an engineer, but you do need to understand the basics, and that's what this video is here to do. We'll cover a quick look at the history of AI, what generative AI actually means, and how it's different from earlier forms of AI. You probably already know that AI stands for artificial intelligence, but what you might not know is that AI has been around for decades. At its core, AI is a machine that mimics how the human brain works, following a set of instructions to solve problems or make decisions. Think about spell check. It's been built into word processors for decades, scanning your writing, spotting errors, and suggesting fixes, all based on learned patterns. It doesn't understand language the way you do, but it knows what looks right based on data. And that's AI in action, working behind the scenes to make everyday tasks smoother. Generative AI takes things a step further. It doesn't just analyze, it generates. Text, images, video, audio, vector graphics, 3D, all from a simple prompt. And this is what we mean by using AI for creative work and why this new technology is so exciting for creatives. It allows you to create different media, genres, and even explore more ideas in the creative process. For example, you could ask Adobe Firefly to generate a picture of a house, and in seconds it will. Now, if you're a creative, you might be thinking, I don't want machines making designs. Totally fair. The truth is, nobody does. Your clients and audience don't want that. People can tell when something feels off and has that clearly made by AI look. So here's the truth. Creativity is human, and the discernment to know what works, why, and what's likely to captivate an audience in new or exciting ways is your superpower as a creative. And while a machine might be able to closely replicate an aesthetic, only you can decide if it fits your vision and meets your taste. The design team here at Adobe likes to say, the real work of creatives isn't learning how to use the latest technology or even to write the best prompt. A bad idea and a good paintbrush will never equal a masterpiece. And the same goes for creative work made with generative AI. Ideas win over execution every single time. And here's the shift. With AI now part of the workflow, creative skills like taste, process, and discernment are more valuable than ever. The ability to guide a vision, make smart calls, and know when something feels right. AI can't replicate that. And that's elevating a creator's role across every industry. You can also think about it this way. What do machines do best? Well, machines are great at patterns. They're built to recognize them, repeat them, and analyze tons of data in seconds. They're also really good at handling the repetitive stuff, the tedious tasks that require following rules and don't change much. But humans? We feel, we improvise, we break rules, not because we're told to, but because we see or feel something that's new and worth exploring. We bring emotion, instinct, and perspective to everything we create. And we reflect on it too, not just what was made, but why it matters and how we might do things differently going forward. That's the difference. Generative AI is here to support you as a tool. Machines can generate, but only people can imagine and dream. So with this basic understanding of generative AI, where it came from, how it works, what makes it different, you're better equipped to make smart, creative decisions about how to use it. And remember, this is just the beginning. The more you understand the tools, the more power you have to shape how they're used in your work, your team, and your industry. Whether you're exploring new formats, speeding up production, or rethinking your creative process, generative AI gives you more control, more flexibility, and more room to envision what's next.